Welcome to our guided meditation for teenagers, a space where you can unwind, recharge, and take a break from the chaos of everyday life. Life as a teenager is unique and unpredictable. Allow this meditation to bring you peace as you continue your week. First, find a comfy spot, whether you're sprawled out on the bed or lounging in your favorite chair. Make sure you're feeling cozy and relaxed. Meditation is a tool that we can use whenever we're feeling stressed out, anxious, or overwhelmed. You can tap into this feeling whenever you want, wherever you may be. Now, let's take a deep breath in through your nose, filling up your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress that you've been carrying around. With each inhale, imagine drawing in peace and calmness. And with each exhale, imagine releasing any worries or distractions that may be weighing you down. As we continue to breathe deeply, let's do a quick check-in with ourselves. How are you feeling right now? Maybe you're dealing with some school drama, some family stuff, or just the general craziness of life. Whatever it is, know that it's all good. You're not alone. Next up, let's shift our focus to something positive. Think of one thing that you're grateful for today. It could be your friends. It could be your favorite artist dropping a new album or a new song. It could even just be the fact that you're alive and well. Gratitude is like a secret weapon that we use to turn our bad days into good ones. Now, let's do a quick body scan to tune in to how we're feeling physically. Start from your toes and just work your way up, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. No need to judge or fix anything, just observe and keep breathing. Now that we're feeling more grounded, let's set an intention for the rest of our day, or even the rest of our week. An intention is like a personal goal or guiding principle that helps us stay focused on what's important to us. Maybe it's to be kinder to ourselves, to stay in the present moment, or to let go of the things that we can't control. For today, let's keep it simple. Repeat after me. I am going to have a great day today. One more time. I am going to have a great day today. Picture what that looks like for you and sit with it for a moment. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to visualize something that brings us joy. It could be a favorite memory, a dream vacation, or even just a moment of peace and quiet. What's your happy place? Picture it in your mind's eye and just let yourself soak up all of the good vibes. As we come to the end of our meditation, know that you've got everything you need to navigate the ups and downs of teenage life. You are stronger and more resilient than you even realize. All you need is some peace of mind. Thank you for joining us for this guided meditation for teens. Remember, you've got the power to create your own peace, no matter what life throws your way. Stay true to yourself, stay awesome, and keep on shining. If you enjoyed this meditation, kindly like and subscribe for more. Be well, my friend.